Hello everyone. Today we are going to read our lesson One Earth to One World. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. We did not weave the web of life. We are merely strands in it. Whatever we do to the web, we do to ourselves. Chief Seattle, chief of a Native American tribe in the early 19th century, is known for the respect he had for environmental values. This quote is famously believed to be from one of his speeches. Do you agree with his idea of one world? Read this text to learn more about the web of life. Over 40 million years ago, the Earth was a planet of hot, swirling seas and volcanoes spewing fire. It was a world with no life on land, in the sea, or the sky. Just cycles of intense heat and freezing cold that created the oceans and currents and atmosphere. However, the turbulent, lifeless earth held within it the seed of life, and slowly the first organic or biomolecules formed. Over millions of years, these tiny living things changed the earth. Bacteria and blue-green algae, mosses, hostes, and ferns produced oxygen, giving the breath of life for the first fish and reptiles and creating the ozone layer that cooled the earth and filtered out the harmful rays of the sun. The lifeless planet became a living world. Every plant and every animal gradually took its place in the web of life woven during the long millennia of prehistory. The last to arrive on the scene was man. A man developed and progressed. He built his world by dividing up the earth into mine and yours, theirs and ours. We didn't see himself as belonging to the earth, but saw the earth as belonging to him to use for his comfort as he saw fit. The result of this has been a tremendous overuse of the earth's resources. The countryside has come under pressure from increasing numbers of farmers and the landless. Cities are filling with people, cars, and factories. Inequality is growing within nations and between them. The biggest inequality is in the way resources are distributed in the world, with the poorer countries getting less and the developed world using more and more. This inequality causes problems of poverty because people don't get enough resources and problems arising from pollution and damage to the environment. Till recently, the planet was a large world where all life, though interdependent and connected, could exist in its habitat without overlapping or intruding into each other's spheres. The earth provided for the needs of all life to live and thrive. But that has changed. The earth is unable to regenerate and recycle resources fast enough. Today, humanity uses the equivalent of 1.5 planets to provide the resources we use and to absorb our waste. This means it now takes the earth 1 year and 6 months to regenerate what we human beings use in a year. Turning resources into waste faster than waste can be turned back into resources exhausts the very resources on which human life and biodiversity depend. Mahatma Gandhi said the earth has enough for our needs but not our greed. So, what will it take for humanity to live within the means of one planet? The earth is the source of our wealth and well being. Human talents and ability must be used to adapt and innovate to live within the resources of the earth. Governments and all people should consciously work towards that goal. But individuals, no matter how old or rich they are, can also make choices that will reduce the stress on resources and the environment. If we consider the impact on the environment when we decide on where we live, how we use energy in our homes, what we eat, how we travel, how much garbage we produce, we can have a collective healing impact on the biological and ecological systems that sustain us. So, this was the reading of our chapter One Earth to One Planet. One Earth to One World. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask me in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check the description box for the links to the other chapters. Thank you, everyone.